I'm down here, bitch. Guys. Okay, I am so fucking excited right now. Literally, this has come. Are you ready? Are you ready? Because I'm not ready. Are you ready? I am so excited. So finally, the Alien palette has arrived. And yeah, I'm just on my face makeup and like I'm baking at the moment, hence the cocaine beard. But we're gonna play with this bad boy. I haven't opened it yet, it came yesterday. So do you know how hard it is for me not to open this bitch? Like, it's just stunning. I have been waiting so fucking long, so long. When did I actually order this palette? I ordered it from Beauty Bay and I ordered it on the 9th of November. We are now in December. Hold on, let me check. How long ago?
I'm not sure I understand.
Well, let me speak. How long ago was November the 9th, 2018?
It was 3 weeks and 6 days ago.
3 weeks, bitch. 3 weeks. Oh, hello Covey, sorry my dog just walked in. 3 weeks I've been waiting for this motherfucker, so let's just shut the fuck up and open it up. Oh! I can feel it. I can... Can we just for it? Oh honey, like it's the size of my actual fucking head. I love, oh my god, it feels so nice. Guys, I'm gonna have a fucking heart attack. Like, I'm a Jeffree Star whore, we know that by now. Should we open her up? Can she open her? Give me one. Oh, there you go. Please stand by. Right, are we ready? Don't fucking drop it. Oh my god, can we just... Oh, guys, I'm gonna freak the fuck out. So today I'm gonna try and do some sort of tutorial. Oh my god, do you like my Christmas top, by the way? Because it's Christmas. I need to delete my channel. But yeah, look at all these beautiful greens. Oh my god, this purple. And it's got some big ass mirror, like I live. Oh my god. Right, so let's just shut the fuck up and just let's get into this shit. I need to base my eyeballs, that's the word I was looking for, because I haven't done that yet. So I've done my eyelids and let's jump in. I'm not gonna swatch these because I don't know, sometimes I think swatches don't do colours justice. So I'm first gonna go in with the colour Titan, which is here just as a base. I don't actually know what look I want to go for, to be honest. Maybe something green and purpley. I'm really into like doing some bold colours, and I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, what does she want to do? I might cut crease. I might do a cut crease. Oh my god, there's so many pretty colours. Like, I'm so... Part of me wants to go for like a purple into green. Right, I say this is going to be a tutorial, but this is going to be me messing around and seeing if what I actually want it to look like will end up looking like that. I have a ring light now, so I'm hoping this kind of makes my lighting a bit better. So I'm going to go in with the colour Area 51, which is this lovely purple here. I have never actually done purple in my eyes before, I don't think. So, right, I know these are going to be so fucking pigmented without I'm putting it on my eye yet. And I do know some of these are like pressed pigments and stuff, so I might zoom in a bit more. She's pigmented. I believe this one's a pressed pigment. Interesting. Oh, either way, I'm gonna have to go out whatever it turns out like. And just blend edges. I'm gonna take the colour Phone Home, which I love by the way, which is, Phone Home is this one right here. It's like a peachy pale pink. And I'm gonna do something with that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I can't really tell you because I don't know what I'm doing. We're looking scary at the moment. And then I'm going to cut this crease. So I want it to kind of go like green into purple. So I want to use Alien, which is this one right here. I might use Moon Rock. Right, let's just do that. Moon Rock or Interstellar. So let's just... So this one is Moon Rock. This one's Moon Rock. Fuck. And this one is Interstellar. Fucking hell, Jeffrey. Like, wow. I'm just gonna cut my crease off camera. So I've just done my other eye off camera and I've cut my crease. So I'm gonna go in with that Alien, that green colour. And then I'm just gonna hit plus it, just in case. And then we're gonna pack it. Okay, Jeffrey, honey. This is why I'm a Jeffree Star whore, ladies and gentlemen. There isn't hardly any fallout under my eyes either, which at the beginning of all this makeup, like in the 3 months, if you would have told me to put greens and purples on my eyes, I would have been like, fuck off. But now it's like all I want. Yummy. Oh my god, that brush has just gone all the way down the back of this desk. Fuck me. If I break a nail, pray for me. Found it! Found it! I'm an example of what not to be like on YouTube. I love. Oh my god, why do I drop everything? This is probably like a 0 out of 10 tutorial wise. So I'll just quickly show you what Pluto is. Pluto is the first colour. I don't want to drop her or get my fingers in any of it. Is this one here? Pluto. So that is what the top looks like. It is a bit messy, but your girl's still learning. I don't know if I just want to go like purple or go like, or mimic the top and go purple green. Story time now. My camera died. And also I just had a delivery arrive and I answered the door like this and I look literally like the thing out of Toy Story, you know, the you are Saber, we're eternally grateful. The shock. Another Beauty Bay order's come and the product was in what I've just thrown. And what has just arrived is shock. I know my audio is going to be so bad, but what can I say? Is more Jeffree Star product. So we'll do them in a minute. We're still finishing my eyes. Sorry, because I'm having to use my phone now. I can't zoom in. Either I can, but I don't know how because I'm a 40-year-old woman. Buzz Lightyear, that's who I look like.
You see the hat? I am Mrs. Nesbit.
Buzz Lightyear Realness. I'm going to go with the colour Flying Saucer because it looks stunning. Which is this one right here, Flying Saucer, and the actual pan is a little flying saucer. Oh, cute. Oh, I just ruined it by doing that, haven't I? Yeah, well, let's just ruin the other side as well. So at least we're a mess, a symmetrical mess. That is my eyes done. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and then we'll move on to lips and I will show you the lip ammunitions and the liquid lips that I also got. So I will catch you in a sec. Right, so now it looks like I've eaten very, very greasy food. This is actually the Jeffree Star Ice Cold Skin Frost and I use one of the liquid frost in Frostbite. So what we're going to do now is lips. So I got the 2 lip ammunitions, like that's so cool, I love it. This one is Beam Me Up. I love this packaging, oh my god. Oh, honey, honey. And the next one is Alien Tears, which you can put on top of other colours from this range. Like, can we just... I'm done. I'm done, Jeffrey. I'm done. How does he deliver every single fucking time? A few of the new liquid lips. I'm so annoyed because You're Still on the Property sold out so quick, and that is one I wanted the most. And I accidentally ordered 2 of the colour Triggered, but I'm so fucking happy because it's a gorgeous, gorgeous brown. So I'm going to swatch some of these. I'm not going to put them all on my face because they don't go on your face, they go on your lips. But I'm not going to put them all on my lips because, oh my god, I haven't put lashes or mascara on my hand. So this one here is Triggered. That one is Scandal, which I love. This one is Hi, How Are Ya, Clout, Can't Relate, and Jeffrey Who. And I'm gonna put on this one, which is Clout, just because it's like a lavendery, and I've got purple in my eyes. But like I said, my camera's died, so I can't zoom in. So I'm probably just gonna put this on, and then I'll show you the finished look after. Here's the finished look. I like it. I like my Buzz Lightyear Realness, you know, You Got a Friend in Me, all that stuff. So this is Clout, which is like a really nice lavender metallic, and I love it. And then that is my Buzz Lightyear eyes. So I know it was a really bad tutorial, but like I said, I'm getting used to all this and really am enjoying it. So I'm going to be doing some Christmas looks. Obviously this is more like a Toy Story look, and be sure to check out my other videos, follow me on my social medias.